Today we are going to, she has a playmate. Her name is Lola, as you can see.
Her real name's Lolita, but we're going to call her Lola.
So we're just going to be doing challenges, and we're going to be doing
Teams, let's do teams.
Yeah, I'm going to
Youngest against oldest.
me and Lola.
And me and Osie are the youngest.
Oh, she's feisty. Yay, we're going to win. Go Lola.
Osie, come here. You're big, or you show me who's boss.
Lola's going to beat you.
Okay, so let's start with the first competition. What should we do?
Let's throw a ball. Ooh, she's feisty.
No, stop it. Osie, come here. Stop it. Come, sit down.
Let's do a challenge of
I know. She's mean.
Wait a second. Ooh, it's a small.
See, this is how he is. Like,
Sit.
Good boy and good girl. You guys are gonna race for this ball right there. Whoever gets it and comes back to their owner wins. Ready, set, go. Go, Osie. I win.
You didn't even get a chance to roll it.
She's tiny.
Osie.
Pass it back. I'm doing it again.
Osie, come.
He didn't come back to you.
Lola, steal. Lola, steal it. Osie, come. Osie, come.
No, you're on my team.
No, Osie.
Come here, Elsa. I guess he won anyway. He got the ball.
Yeah.
He came to me. He just didn't.
What other challenge will we do?
He came to me.
I win. What else challenge will we do? Oh, wait. Lola likes this football, so she's going to take it. Lola, like football? Sit. Sit. Lola, sit. Lola, sit. Ready? Sit. Go. Get it, Lola. Bring it back, Lola.
No,
Get the
Osie, you're
football.
supposed to get. You're
Lola,
supposed to get the football, not the tennis ball. No, that's not fair. Go get it. Stop. No, give me that. Go get the football. Go get it. Mama, you have to go get it.
They're not going to go get it. I guess they don't like the football as they used to.
I don't scratch the ball. Okay, I guess you guys won probably because Lola at least went after it. She took off the bow.
Yay, Lola.
Okay, let's go with the next competition. So it's 1-1 right now. What should we do next?
Let's see who obeys their owner the best.
Okay. So sit, Lola, sit. You can have a treat. You can have sit.
Paw, paw.
Paw.
Ow!
Oh, his claws are sharp.
Good girl.
He gave me a paw. Down. Down. Sit. Lay down. Down. He went down. He laid down. Sit.
Why are you going down?
Sit. Lay down. No, down. I don't think she knows lay down.
Good boy.
Lay down. There you go. So, mine's the best one.
Yeah, I guess he's
I get another point. 2-1.
Wait, they still have their on. Here you go. Here you go.
Okay, what should we do now? What do we do?
Let's do an obstacle course.
Oh,
Yeah.
you can. Wait. Well, who can jump?
Yeah, he can jump.
Wait, let's trap Osie in here and we'll jump. He'll jump here. I'll give him some food. We can do that. Hold on, but that's too far. Let's just do it with here. We'll just do Lola first.
Okay.
Lola gets the little. The little one? Yeah, she gets the little.
That, because she could jump.
No, she can't.
Yeah, let's do this. Let's do this.
Okay.
Lola, I need the food. She's mine, so she'll listen. Lola, come, jump.
No, Osie, away. Give me some. Go. Sit. 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 Jump. Down. Lay down.
Lola, jump. Come on, Lola.
No. She doesn't want to do it. No, you should do the little one. Do the little. Yeah.
She's little. Oh, sorry, Lola. That probably hurt. I'm so sorry.
Sit. Yeah. Good boy, you'll see.
Yeah. Stop going.
Ah.
guess you can jump this.
Okay, Lola. She doesn't want to jump it. No, no.
No! No! He doesn't listen to you. Point for me. Yay!
No, you don't get a point. You have to do the obstacle. Jump, Lola. Jump, jump, jump.
Yes?
Yes. She's not jumping though.
She's putting her paws over.
Come on, Lola. Oh no.
No! She did it! She did it!
Good girl, Lola.
She did it. You get 2.
You get a point for that, but let's try OC to try to get a point. Move the orange cones. Move the orange cones. Hold it. Sit. Okay, boy. Maybe we should do it a little higher this time. Okay, no, low. You can't just do it that high. You have to do it lower or he'll just go under it.
Wait, let's hold it. I just threw it, so that's it.
What are you doing? You have to go like this.
Get a treat, get a treat.
Okay, let me show you the white there.
I don't have any more, I see. You have to go like that, go like that. Jump it, Elsa. He jumped with his
Go! Yay! He did it!
No!
Cheetah eating from the food. Okay, so we both got a point. It's 3-2 because I had 2 and you had 1. So now it's 3-2.
The limbo. The limbo.
Okay.
First Lola. It starts from high up.
No, well, she can just walk on that. You have to do it like a little hard.
Lola. Come here, Lola.
She probably wants food for it. You go over there. Question, you have to put it low. You guys do that. No. I'll see. Down. Okay.
He's gonna come here and eat it. He's fast.
Good. Okay,
No,
that's
don't
enough.
do all those. He doesn't deserve it. No, I'll see. Go, Lola. Come on, Lola.
Go, Lola.
Go, Lola.
Let's go back.
Come here, Lola. Come here. Come on, Lola.
Come on. Yay! Minus point. Well, we're going to do minus point. You don't get a point for that. It's Elsie's point. Stop eating from the food basket, Lola. Okay, guys. We'll do it again.
Elsie.
Elsie's
Sorry, Lola.
Oh, Lola didn't get one. Elsie took it from her. Elsie, come on. Oh, yeah. Jump over here. No, he has to jump over here first. Elsie, jump.
This side, Elsa.
Come on.
Down.
Come.
Still do it.
Elsa, come. I got the food, Elsie. Elsie.
Do the limbo. Limbo. He can go into that. Will he do
Come
it?
on, boy. You got this. You can go in that chair every day. Come on, Elsie. Got this. Go get it, Elsie. Come on. Go get it. Go get it. Push.
Yay!
Elsie did it. Here you go, Elsie. He gets 2 because he's big. Okay. So, what we do now?
Oh, wait a second. Remember that dog that Sophie got for Christmas?
Oh, yeah. Go ask if we can borrow it. We can maybe use it. Come on,
Wait,
go get it.
Yeah, I'll go get it. I want to see it.
We'll see the reaction. So let's just play, guys. Let's just play with this tennis ball. Come on. Come on. Sit. Come on. Go get it. Oh, Osio stampled on it. Drop it. Pad back.
Sweet. Hey, guys.
Oh, nice try, Lola. Don't even try to grab that food.
Wait a second.
Try me. What's this? Ah, barks. There's something. Make it bark. It's not gonna bark. What's it gonna do?
I think it's supposed to have a leash.
Get a motion.
But it still barks.
One more challenge. It has to be something exciting. We can throw the ball up in the air.
Hide and seek.
No, let's throw the ball up in the air.
Okay.
Let's see who
Catches it.
First, I see. Okay. Okay.
Are you good?
Yeah, I'm good. That's why you shouldn't leave toys on the floor. It's one reason people. Okay.
You just do a toy on the floor. How's that a good example?
I don't know. Okay, I see sit.
He's gonna jump first.
Jump.
He jumped, but he didn't catch it.
I love that. Go get it, Lily. Come on, Lily. Get it, Lily. Get it, Lily.
Jump, Lola.
Yay!
She got it. Lola, point for Lola.
Come on, Lily. Come on, guys.
Handstand. Look at that. Oh yeah. 3 points. We just did that.
Oh yeah, look at this handstand.
Go Lola. That's a 3-pointer. If she can stand that long. Can you stand that long?
Come on, big pal.
Let's do this.
Come on,
Sit pretty.
that was not pretty, I see. Here, let's try it one more time.
Come here, Lola. Come here, Lola. Bless you. Come on. Yeah, give her one. She's been doing well than him.
Okay, let's try
It's a tie because she's standing up. It's a tie. What we got? We have to do a last competition.
We did it.
It's a tie.
We can leave it like a tie.
I guess they both did good.
Yeah.
It's time.
Let's
close up this video. Get over here.
So guys,
get out of here.
guys, we have to get together to close out this video.
What are you guys
Where are you
doing?
going? Guys, you have to sit down. Come on.
Okay.
Hold up. Let me quiet this dog.
Nancy, stop it.
There we go. Come on, Nancy. Stop playing around. We have to come. We have to close out this video.
And I hope you guys liked watching Osita's new Playmate that came over to play. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!